Today, we're adding a surreal movement style to your footage with the background flipping effect. This effect makes the background rotate behind your subject, creating a dreamy or trippy atmosphere that looks awesome in music edits, dance clips, or transition scenes. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap on it to select. Now, tap Effects at the bottom of the screen, then open Body Effects. Inside this section, go to the Hallucination tab. Here, look for an effect called Axis Rotation and tap to apply it. Right away, you'll notice the background begins to rotate while your subject stays mostly stable, giving a cool flipping visual illusion. To customize it, tap the effect again to open its adjustment sliders, speed, controls, how fast the background rotates, increase the speed for a fast, energetic flip, or reduce it for a slow, atmospheric feel. Rotate, adjust how much the background tilts or flips. Use it to control the intensity of rotation based on your style. Color adds a color tint to the effect. You can apply a subtle tone for mood or go vibrant for stylistic edits. Play around with these settings to match the vibe of your project. Smooth rotation for dreamy edits or intense spinning for trippy, energetic visuals. Preview your clip to see how the motion blends with your subject. And that's it. You've successfully added the background flipping effect in CapCut Mobile. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut mobile effects and editing techniques.